Whenever a hemopoietic stem cell having a KIT receptor comes in contact with stromal cell, the KIT ligand on stromal cell binds to the KIT receptor. This binding activates KIT receptor. As a result, the hemopoietic stem cell divides. By going through cell division, the hemopoietic stem cell may form transient amplifying cell. This transient amplifying cell commit to differentiation or die. The binding of KIT ligand to KIT receptor may lead to maintenance of a hemopoietic stem cell. Please like, subscribe and share.